Hello, it's Regina again. How are you? It is day 3, and thank you so much for joining me again. Um, have you been spending time looking at those videos? Oh, okay. Well, I hope that you have. If not, you can click the link above, and I placed the video from yesterday above. I want you to hear this because this one is really, really important to me. Having why most believers never live the life or start the business that you truly desire. Why is that? This is the number one. If I had to pick out of the 3 that I've given you, this is the number one. And it is a limited mindset. Now, there's so many parts to what I talk about when I talk about mindset. But what I want to really dive into right now is you do not believe in the abundant individual that you are. You see lack. You have come into agreement with not having enough. You have come into agreement with resources not being there, not enough this or not enough that. You've come into agreement with the mindset that this isn't possible by looking at your situation and your circumstances. In order for you to get to the next level, you have to shift your mindset. And let me tell you some of the ways why our minds end up doing this. Our mind has a memory. Our mind, the mind of Christ we do have, but our mind has to be renewed. And I'm going to show you here. When we grow up, some of us never seen our parents start a business or the person who raised us. We've never seen the individual start a business and make it successful. Therefore, it's very unfamiliar in your memory. You've never seen that. You've always seen struggle. You may have seen not good enough. You may have seen a lack of this or a lack of that. Therefore, you have to change what you have in your memory in order to start going in a different direction. So your memory is showing you, your imagination is beginning to show you what life looked like in the past. Therefore, anything outside of what it used to look like, what you've heard, what you've been taught, it doesn't match. And therefore, you never go to the next level. No matter how hard you try, you can't, because that image and those limiting beliefs on the inside of you are holding you back. Do you ever feel as if there's something holding you back and you can't move to the next level? Do you procrastinate? Do you start things and stop? Do you start things and stop? Guess and wonder, wish and hope. Do you see limitations in where you are right now? You can't see how it's even possible for you. You question your gifts, you question your talents. Those are limits of things that people have placed on you, that voices have placed on you, that leaders have placed on you, that images of what you've been through in the past that you've chosen to believe. But what if it's not true? Well, I'm going to tell you it's not true. You are a believer and you're called to go to the next level. You're called to be more, to do more, and to have more. And I want you to move to the next level. And that's why I have created a business to help impact the lives of other individuals. God asked me to step out and to do this, and I am doing it. This place where I'm coming from is a place of sincerity where I want believers to have a mindset shift. We talk about having a renewed mind, but do we really understand what it means to renew your mind? When we renew our mind, our lives go into a different direction. It's not about being a professional Christian. It's not about just going through the motions. It is really living an intentional life with a mindset that I have more than enough. I am good enough. I can have what it is that God says that I can have. I don't care what it looks like. I'm moving towards starting that business. I don't care how educated or uneducated I am. This thing is for me. That's the kind of mindset, the mindset of abundance, the mindset that's not limited to what it looks like. And I know you've probably heard this so much, but guess what? This is the number one reason why businesses never start, why they never go to the next level, why they stay stuck, and why you stay stuck, and why you don't have the life that you want. You've been saying that you want this year, I want change. Well, what does change look like? Over the last 2 days, I've been giving you information on why people believers never live the life or have the business that they really want. Well, now you have it, and what are you going to do about it? You got to change your paradigm. You got to change what's on the story that you have written inside of you. And I want you to stay focused with me. I want you to join me tomorrow. I have a special day for you, a special something for you. I want you to check your inbox tomorrow because it's coming and I want you to grab hold of this. Don't miss tomorrow. Please check back in with me and I have something special for you, okay? All right. Well, thank you so much for taking these last 3 days with me. Come back tomorrow. Find out what my special is for you. And guess what? I have a Facebook group that I would love to have you in. We are courageous and successful believers. Go on over on Facebook and jump into the group. It is a Bible and a book study, not your average Bible and book study. It is a community of believers where we're moving towards creating a life that we truly desire. I want you to come to this exclusive Facebook group. Do you know the power in connecting with other believers that's going somewhere? Come on over to We Are Courageous and Successful Believers, and I'd love to have you there, okay? And check your email tomorrow. I'll talk to you later. My name is Regina Green, and I love helping my passionate, purpose-driven believers to find the courage within to start and win and to live your life beyond mediocrity. Share these videos with someone that you know that may help you, that may help them. And share it to them. Let them know, hey, this is the start of your new life. I know you want more. God desires for you to have more, and it is so possible. I'll talk to you later. Bye.